Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of Chainlink coin. First of all, if we look at the price movements, the price is moving within a triangle pattern. If we draw it like this, there has been a fake breakout here, so we don't consider this point important. However, the important point in the price movement is that it is approaching the support zone. Currently, it is expected to have an upward reaction from this point and reach the channel resistance, which would be a favorable situation for us. Let's mention this. Additionally, in the short term, we can say that it is also within a rising triangle formation. If we draw this small triangle, we can see that it exists. If we look back in history, we may wonder if this triangle could be present at that time as well, but due to the breakouts that occurred in between, we should not interpret it in that way. However, if we look at the current situation, we can say that there is a rising triangle here. At least in the short term, we will see this more clearly when we examine the 4-hour chart. Now, if we look at the moving averages, the price has broken below the 8-day moving average after breaking above it, and currently, the price is trading below the 8-day moving average. The price urgently needs to rise above the 8-day and especially the 200-day moving averages. The 200-day moving average is important for us, because if the price is trading above the 200-day moving average, it can be considered as a sign of an uptrend. If it is trading below, it signifies a downtrend. If we look at it closely, when the price broke above the 200-day moving average at 0.6, the price rapidly dropped. When it broke above, it started to rise, and currently, the price has been trading below the 200-day moving average for a long time. We are now very close to the end of this triangle. A breakout can happen at any moment, either to the upside or downside. Considering that the crypto market is expected to improve this year, we have approximately 2 months until the end of this triangle. My friends, in maximum 2 months, this triangle will most likely break to the upside, and the price will rise above the 200-day moving average. Since the formation here has been broken to the upside, we can now say that the uptrend may begin. We can say that a rally may start. Of course, 2 months is the maximum duration, and it can also break and move above the triangle in a week. We should not forget this. If we analyze the coin on 4-hour periods, we can see that there is actually a triangle that started from this point. If we draw it like this, as we can see, the price is moving within a triangle. After removing this triangle, we can see another rising triangle in the short term. This is also important. As it appears, if we draw this triangle, we can say that there is a triangle starting from this point. It will be more accurate if we draw it like this. If these triangles break to the upside, we can expect further price increases. We should not forget this. Now, let's switch back to the daily time frame and start our analysis with the indicators. First of all, let's look at our Fisher indicator. Fisher is about to make a breakout around the levels of 23, which is approximately on May 19th, today. If a breakout occurs at this point, we can expect a short-term decline in price movements. However, since there is not much room for it to fall, it may consolidate. At least for a certain period, it can consolidate sideways for about a week. If there is no upward breakout in Fisher, we may also expect a small decline in price movements in the short term. So we need to be careful. Furthermore, after closing the Fisher indicator, let's look at our RSI indicator. The RSI indicator, my friends, after rising from the levels around 35 to approximately 46 to 47 levels, is currently trading around 42 levels. In addition, the RSI is currently at the midpoint. That is, whichever direction the RSI goes, the price movements will also go in that direction. Actually, to tell the truth, if the price movements are going in a certain direction, the RSI will also go in that direction. So we need to be careful. What is really important here is that if we draw this as a symbol of the short-term decline, my friends, when the downtrend is broken to the upside, we will see that the RSI value also rises above the 50 level. With the RSI moving towards 70 as it rises above the 50 level, it will actually indicate that there may be further upward movement in price. It is currently at an indecisive point. There is no specific buy signal. So we need to be careful. Keep this in mind. After our RSI analysis, We close the RSI indicator, and finally, we will look at the WAV trend indicator. In the WAV trend, there has been a downside breakout that is not seen in Fisher, giving us a slight sell signal. Actually, if we make a similar comment on Fisher, my friends, price movements will probably consolidate for a while. Because if the uptrend is broken to the downside, we may see price movements falling towards the $6 levels. So we need to be careful. Additionally, as we mentioned, the likelihood of consolidation is higher in price movements. The location where the breakout occurs is very close to the oversold zone. So it is not a strong sell signal, but a mild one. That's why we make our comments in this way, and after closing the WAV trend, let's gradually come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Chainlink coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.